Hello, I am Istvan Rajna. I am Group Product Manager for Dremel, and I'm here to show you some hints and tips on our diamond engraving points. Diamond engraving points are accessories that are used for fine works such as engraving, finishing or touch-up work. These accessories are great when you are working on brittle materials such as glass, when you are engraving fine lines. When you are using these accessories, always make sure that you are operating in a mid to high speed RPM range and that you always hold the tool in a pencil grip. When you are using these accessories, generally speaking, you can use any of the high-speed rotary tools. However, I would recommend you to choose one of our smaller or lighter models because that would give you additional comfort. Personally, I think the best combination is to use the flexible shaft with any of our rotary tools. This would give you a very comfortable grip, which would allow you a very precise engraving. Let me show you how it is done. Engraving accessories are great accessories to finish your project. The best way to practice and learn with these accessories, I think, is to experiment with all of these so that you know which is the most suitable head for your project. These are my tips regarding engraving points. Thank you very much.